YouTube was popping. Back at it with another video. Today I'm gonna be unboxing my brand new Apple Watch. You know recently I just now copped the new iPhone, so I had to get the watch to go with it. So let's see what it do. So here's the box. Let's see what's inside.
Return of the villain. It's the 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 return of the villain. Creeping through the dark, dressed in all black. Crouched down with the strap in the tall grass. Little homie tried to come, told him fall back. Cause once I turn into the villain, then it's all bad. I'm feeling like I'm back to my old self. And if you don't like how I'm coming, oh well. I'm feasting on bodies, drinking the blood. Partying with dead people, hella drinking my cup.
Yeah,
I
separately.
think I see dead people. When I'm going off the pillies, I see red people. With no feelings, take the knife and behead people. If I ain't cutting, then I'm busting out the red reef. Bop, bop, now they all dead. Last man standing smoking with my eyes red. There's no both sleep, you can't go to bed. I'm waking up everybody, even if they're dead, yeah. Turn of the villain, some turn of the villain, some turn of the villain, turn of the villain, some turn of the villain, turn of the villain, turn of the villain, the return of the villain, it's the return of the villain, it's the return of the villain, return of the villain, it's the return of the villain. I'm blowing kill in the villain in front of Woody's. Game changer in the pocket of my hoodie. Not a banger, but I'm a villain with a fully. Toe tagging, body bagging, suckers with the toolie. Rifle take your life away from long range. Body snatcher, so for chump change. Have your house sounding like a gun range. Cause when you're broke and you need bread, you do dumb things. Stockton, California, known as Mudville. Every day's like the birds letting slugs spill. Whole lot of blood spill, cricket drug deals. Heroes couldn't manage, now they hoping that the villains will. Here's the takeover, pave a new way. Everything had to change, it's a new day. So be ready for the new way. We on the head like some toupee. Real villain shit. Return of the villain. It's the 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 return of the villain.
Got the strap, the Nike strap.
C lows.
So then,
I ain't famous, but I should be though. Should be though, I ain't famous, but I should be though. Should be though, she not my girl, but she could be though. Could be though, I'm not a killer, but don't push me, bro. I ain't famous, but I should be though.
slide it on there like that.
Should be though, I ain't famous, but I should be though. Should be though, she not my girl, but she could be though. Could be though, I'm not a killer, but don't push me, bro. I ain't famous, but I should be. After all the shit that I've done this far, a lot of people thought I would be. But the key to this is to keep working hard. Never give up on your dream. Never tell somebody that they can't be what they want to be.
There it is.
Cause in the end, I mean, who are we? Just human beings.
The Apple
So if you happen
iWatch.
to find your bitch passing the
Nike.
side of my ride late night, don't shoot at me. Think to yourself. Is it really worth the war that you come before over this whore that's gonna do the same thing to me next week? I don't know, bro. That's what I ain't famous, but I should be though.
Goes through there.
Should be though, I ain't famous, but I should be though. Should be though, she not my girl, but she could be though.
Yeah.
Could be though, I'm not a killer, but don't push me, bro. I ain't famous, but I should be though. Should be though, I ain't famous, but I should be though.
It's also about the
Should be
strap.
though, she not my girl, but she could be though.
Hold or you can put the
Could be
stuff
though, I'm not a killer, but don't push me, bro. Snap back to reality though. All this drama in my life need a reality show. I don't want your girl cause I had her before. And never lose that bitch, I had to be broke, look. I ain't famous, but
okay, so what also is dope about this watch is you can switch the faces on it. See, I'm doing right here. You can switch it on your iPhone. Go through, pick maybe different colors. You want to match something, or you just get tired of the same old thing. You can switch it up. Depending on what kind of watch you like, you know, you might want to get you a little something like this. But it's really your choice. They got a whole bunch of them, as you can see. A whole bunch of different colors. And what also is cool about this is you can make phone calls on it. You could message on it. It's got online. It's got everything that your phone's got. It's got. So yeah, it's pretty dope. So there it is. You change the faces. Like I said, pretty clean watch. I like it. So anyways, thanks for watching. If you like the video, make sure to like it, subscribe, and I'll be seeing y'all soon with another one.